aí pessoal, tranquilo, beleza? Eu sou o Kid. Hoje o vídeo vai ser sobre a Floresta da Marionete, a run do Chaveiro. E esse vídeo aqui vai ficar bem mais curto que o anterior, né? Só vou deixar passando aqui, eu fazendo aqui a run. E se você tá gostando dos vídeos do canal, deixa o seu like. Ajuda o canal aqui a chegar a mais pessoas que também precisam de informações aí pra poder evoluir no game. Valeu? Então é isso pessoal, sem mais delongas, bora lá pro vídeo.
It's the calm before the storm. Things aren't as they were before. You best start bracing. Did you think you could keep us out? Shut the gates, forget us now. Tides are changing. Can you hear the sound? Can't stop us now. We're not back in town, know what we're doing. Things are about to change, it's evolution. Voices shake the ground, you feel it moving. We're the revolution. Can you hear the sound? Ground beneath your feet, with a whisper in the trees. Do you feel us watching? Hunger in our eyes, victories on our minds. It's our time to rise. Can you hear the sound? Can't stop us now. We're not back in town, know what we're doing. Things are about to change, it's evolution. Voices shake the ground, you feel it moving. We're the revolution. Can you hear the sound? We're not back in town, know what we're doing. Things are about to change, it's evolution. Voices shake the ground, you feel it moving. We're the revolution. Whispered promises straight to my heart. I'd never noticed, but you were never there, you were never there. Hey, you gave me roses, set me apart. All I felt was bliss, but you were never there, you were never. I want us to be what we used to be this night. Maybe just another fight, but you don't want.
Isso é tudo bem, pessoal.